Cardano value equivalent to 940.94 rands a coin. The present cost range 940.479.9319. The earlier day close 970.77. The change was 0.2173, 2.24%. Opposite rate ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at 14.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.27, while low cost 11.31. Found the middle value of cost 13 ZAR. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12.16. Change for August 14.8%. Cardano estimate for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 12.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.10, while low cost 12.16. Found the middle value of cost 13.38. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 14.11. Change for September 16%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at 14.11 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.52, while low cost 14.11. Found the middle value of cost 15.53. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 16.37. Change for October 16%. Cardano gauge for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 16.37 rands. Excessive cost 19.92, while low cost 16.37. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.82. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.62. Change for November 13.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 18.62 rands. Excessive cost 19.86, while low cost 17.26. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.58. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.56. Change for December 3%. Cardano figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 18.56 rands. Excessive cost 18.56, while low cost 15.21. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.17. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 16.35. Change for January 11.9%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 16.35 rands. Excessive cost 17.79, while low cost 15.47. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.56. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 16.63. Change for February 1.7%. Cardano figure for walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 16.63 rands. Excessive cost 18.8, while low cost 15.72. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.83. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 16.90. Change for spring 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 16.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.45, while low cost 16.03. Found the middle value of cost 17.16. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 17.24. Change for April 2%. Cardano gauge for May 2025. To start with, cost at 17.24 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.83, while low cost 16.37. Found the middle value of cost 17.51. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 17.60. Change for May 1%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 17.60 rands. Excessive cost 20.78, while low cost 17.60. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.85. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 19.42. Change for June 10.3%. Cardano figure for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 19.42 rands. Excessive cost 19.76, while low cost 17.18. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.71. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 18.47. Change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 18.47 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.93, while low cost 18.47. Found the middle value of cost 20.33. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 21.43. Change for August 16%. Cardano gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 21.43 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.29, while low cost 20.25. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.69. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 21.77. Change for September 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 2177 rands. Excessive cost 2367, while low cost 2057. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2203. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2212. Change for October 16%. Cardano figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at 2212 rands. Excessive cost 2231, while low cost 1989. They found the middle value of cost 2117. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2085. Change for November 7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at 2085 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.9, while low cost 20.07. They found the middle value of cost 2140. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2158. Change for December 5%. Cardano conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at 2158 rands. Excessive cost 2158, while low cost 1786. They found the middle value of cost 20.06. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1920. Change for January 11%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at 90 money rands. Exorbitant cost 2356, while low cost 19 money. They found the middle value of cost 21,000. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 22.2. Change for February 7%. Cardano gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 22.2 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.94, while low cost 20.80. They found the middle value of cost 22.18. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 22.37. Change for spring 16%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 22.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.32, while low cost 21.14. They found the middle value of cost 22.64. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 22.73. Change for April 16%. Cardano estimate for May 2026. At the outset cost at 22.73 rands. Excessive cost 24.71, while low cost 21.47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 23,000. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2309. Change for May 16%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at 2309 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.46, while low cost 2309. They found the middle value of cost 24.83. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 25.66. Change for June 1%. Cardano gauge for July 2026. In the first place cost at 25.66 rands. Exorbitant cost 25.66, while low cost 22.29.